Hi and welcome. Today we're making the Tunisian soup. It's called Orzo Soup. Sherbet San Asfour. I hope you enjoy. Let's start. We need some, you can use olive oil, you can use any oil you want. I'm using canola oil. It's probably three tablespoons, and we need half onions. So we're just gonna start with the onion first, and you need a tablespoon of tomato paste and celery. And this is the meat I'm gonna use with the bone. You can use little tiny chopped meat. You can use chicken if you want. It's up to you. You can use lamb or any meat, beef, any beef you like, any meat you like. So we're just gonna saute the meat with the onion a little bit, and now we're gonna add the tomato paste with the celery. We're just gonna mix it like that. My tomato paste, I have a big can, so I just take them and freeze them, put them in the freezer, and when I need it, I just take whatever I need. That's why you see it like that. So we're just gonna saute them all together for about maybe 5 minutes or so. If you're cooking for, this is probably will feed 4 people. So if you wanted to make more, you can add another tablespoon of the tomato paste. Over here I'm gonna add a little water, just a little bit, for the tomato paste to dissolve in the water. Like I said, if you're cooking for more people, you just add a little more of the tomato paste. So let's saute them for 5 minutes. And now I'm gonna add the seasoning. This is adding salt here. We're gonna add some coriander powder. It's about teaspoon. This is turmeric over here. So each one is teaspoon. And paprika. You can use harissa if you want to make it a little spicy. If you don't, it's enough with the paprika. And I added some black pepper. So we're gonna mix it all together. And then when you add the water, make sure you add hot water. It's better to add hot water. So I just add a little more. I don't want the spices to burn. So, and then after this, we're just gonna add probably 4 cups of water till you cover the meat. If you're making with the chicken cooks right away, so you put less water. If you're cooking it with the beef or lamb, it takes a little longer, so you add 4 cups of water. So over here, we're just gonna let it simmer and let it cook. Probably after maybe 20 minutes or so, we're just gonna check the meat to see if it's cooked. Like I said, depends on your meat. So now we're gonna take the celery out after it's been cooking. You can leave it if you want to, but I like to take it out. But it's up to you. Now it's ready to add the orzo pasta. The one I have is a little big. So if you wanted to buy the little one, you can use that. Otherwise, you can't find it. You can use this one. It's a little big. I used half a cup. And make sure when you're ready to serve, like say you're gonna have your dinner ready, then you throw the orzo to cook. Otherwise, if you if you put the orzo a little early and you're not gonna have dinner right away, it will absorb all the sauce and it gets a little thick. So keep mixing a little bit so it doesn't stick in the bottom of the pot, and keep checking. You see how it's getting bigger? Keep mixing it like that a little bit every like a minute or so. Mix it again, and that's it. You're just gonna let it cook for a little bit, and that's it. You see how it's getting a little thicker, the sauce? You can see over here it's ready. This is, you can tell it's ready because it's getting thicker, and the orzo will get a little bigger. That's it. Now it's ready. If you wanted to keep it a little bit longer, if you can, but don't leave it too long. Otherwise, it would be like it's not gonna be like a soup anymore. So that's it. It's ready to serve, and it's easy. It does not take any long. Probably the total of like 30 minutes. That's it. And then you serve it. I hope you like it, and I hope you will try and let me know in the comments how it comes out too. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Bye bye.